You get one? Pick him up.
Look, there you go.
There's one.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's what we're about.
Do that again?
The chicken's like, come on, man.
I think he thought I was going to take off his head. You go tell your mommy. Go in the house.
You pick one up. Go get him.
You ready to get out?
Pick them up.
Creighton, you ready to get out?
There you
He's just
go.
standing there like, no. Not paying any attention. You want to get out?
Alec, are you ready to get out? Well,
No,
go
get out.
pick a chicken up. Pick a chicken up.
Get a chicken. Pick a chicken up. There you go.
Oh, almost. All right, buddy, come here. You're the last one left with the chickens.
Let's go. Oh, I heard felt that.
Almost. He almost gets in there. He gets scared. Grab him.
Just grab them and pick them up real quick. There you go. Pick them up. Pick them up. Yay! Oh, you're so close. Good. There you go.
Oh.
Really? That's entertaining to you? Look, I'm gonna drop them on this.
Who needs toys? We have
Yeah.
Oh.
I see a reoccurring.
Hold it sideways.
Hold him tight. Yeah. Oh, okay. See,
Let's have the fun.
that's what he's finding entertaining.
Okay.
No.